Greeting guys, today we have a new class, a new episode. We are still in the Arabic course with the first movement fatha. If it's the first time just watch us, please subscribe in our channel and share this video to all your friends. Then let's go. Today we have a new class and a new letters with the first movement. So tell me please, what is the name of this letter? Yes, this is called fa. Fa. And open your mouth. Fa. Don't tell me please F or like English language. No, because this is Arabic. There's a difference between them. Okay? So fa. Fa. Amazing. Write down in your book and then also repeat after me. So let us then to start with the next one is a brother. We know this one, he has a brother. Okay? So tell me the name of this one also. This is called qa. Qa. And then try and repeat a lot because this is hard to pronounce a little bit. So follow me, or you can do like I say. Qa. Qa. You have to close your throat here, the beginning of your throat. Qa, qa, qa. Okay. So I just want you to tell me qa from heavy letters or from light letters. Let me know in the comment below. And I'm going to give you a food for thought for the next class. Tell me the name of this one. Let me know in the comment below. Okay, and this is the end of our episode. See you at the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.